Hi,
My name is Sukhjinder Kaur. What is your name?
my name is Michelle.
Okay, today I'm your counselor. We will talk about psychoactive drug history questionnaire today.
Okay.
So I will tell you about it. That this tool help us to know about substance use that we used in past 12 months and 90 days.
Okay.
So we can know about the quantity of the substance used in this tool.
Okay.
So I will ask you some drugs that you have ever used or not. Okay, so you have to respond me.
Okay.
So first of all, I will start with alcohol. How often do you take alcohol in last 90 days?
Okay. In last 90 days, I'm not sure. I drink a couple of drinks pretty much each night. But my last drink was 2 days ago. I tried to stay off it before coming in. It was not easy. I also didn't drink the 3 days right after I was admitted to the hospital when I had the overdose. So
Okay.
I guess I didn't drink in 5 of the last 90 days.
Okay, so at what age you started taking alcohol?
My first drink was at the age of 13 and I was relieved at now how it felt. I drank a lot in my teens when I was partying. I didn't drink when I was pregnant with Evan.
Okay, so you told about the quantity that you can tell about the quantity, how
Yeah.
much you use?
Yeah, I have been drinking a couple of glasses of wine most night for about 10 years. It just helped me sleep and feels like a reward at the end of the day. I drink about 2 bottles a week, the 750 ml ones, because I have about 2 glasses a night and maybe an extra glass on the weekend if my friend comes by.
Okay, have you ever used cocaine or crack?
No.
Okay, do you have you haven't used it?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell about amphetamines or other stimulations?
No, I didn't take it.
Okay,
Yeah.
so cannabis, have ever you used that?
Yeah, I used it.
How often you used it?
I smoked up at parties when I was a teenager. About 2 months ago, I shared a joint with my son.
Oh.
He doesn't use it often, and I didn't like how it made me feel. It's a lot stronger than I remember. That was the only time I have used it for over 20 years.
Okay, can you tell about the quantity of this,
Um,
or you don't remember?
I didn't remember. Sometimes I take much and sometimes I take it less.
Okay, so can you tell about benzodiazepines?
Yes, I take it.
Okay.
I haven't used them in 6 months, but was being prescribed by my doctor for anxiety.
Okay, so can you tell the quantity of this?
Yeah, I had 1 mg tablets and took at least 2 of them a day.
So can you tell about the barbiturates?
No, I
Haven't
don't take
you
it.
used ever?
No,
Okay, it's good. So have you ever used the heroin?
no.
Okay, good. So prescription opioids, have you ever used it?
Yeah, I used it.
How
This-
often you use?
This is embarrassing, but I took what I thought were perks and had an overdose because they were laced with fentanyl. That was about a month and a half ago. That is the last time I used them. I used to get them from neighbors and my friends before. I probably took them about 10 times in the last 3 months.
Okay.
So I guess 10 times out of the 90 days.
So okay, what was your age that time?
I started using them after my car accident. It was about 15 years ago.
Okay.
When I was 15 years ago,
Okay.
and sort of went back to them when I was having a tough time.
Okay, so I'm going to ask about the next drug type.
Yeah.
So that is over the counter codeine, that preparations. So can you tell about that? How often you use in 90 days?
I have used Tylenol 1S for migraine in the past, and then they were not strong enough. I guess I haven't had them in the last 90 days through.
Okay.
Lately, I have been trying to manage Advil and cold compresses with extra strength.
Okay. So have you noticed when you started it taking, like age?
Um, I didn't remember my age when I started taking it, but I started using cough syrup with codeine because I feel it feels like it takes the edge off. But now I think I have been become psychologically dependent on it, like a security blanket. I drink about half or a whole bottle some days, bottles or 6 ounces.
Okay. So can you tell about hallucination? About that?
No.
Okay. Okay. So the next drug is glue or other inhalants. So have you ever used that in 90 days, past 90 days?
I never heard about these drugs.
Okay.
Yeah.
So uh, the next one is tobacco. Have you ever used in past 90 days?
Yes, I used it.
How often you use it?
I smoke a pack of regular a day, like 25 packs.
Okay. So at what age?
I have been a daily smoker for 35 years.
Okay.
And I have tried a quit or cut down in past. I didn't smoke when I was pregnant, and I had another 6 months without it when I used the patch and nicotine gum. Last smoke right before I came in. I didn't smoke in the hospital through, so I guess I have 2 days there
Okay.
where I didn't have it in the last 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
So have you ever used any other psychoactive drugs?
No, I didn't
Okay.
take any other,
Okay.
any other drug.
Okay. So we have done with it.
Okay.
So from this tool, that is psychoactive drugs. So from this tool we can know about the therapy that you are going to take.
Okay.
So the result will tell that you have to take the treatment or not. So I will tell you about it, that maximum time you have used the drugs.
Okay.
So you have to take the treatment according to that.
Okay.
So this will help you to overcome in the future, to overcome the drugs, so you can be healthy, or you have to be health conscious.
Okay.
So you have to get rid from these drugs.
Okay.
So you got that?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.